Hi friends, welcome to our channel Shahanaaz'sdailydelight. Daily Delight. Today we are going to prepare restaurant style prawns biryani. It is very easy and simple recipe. You all must try. It is finger licking delicious. Let's have a look. The ingredients going to be taken here. I have taken approximately 1 kg of loose prawns. And don't forget to make a slit and remove the black sting behind them. I personally suggest to wash them using crystal salt, which reduces the stinky smell. Let's have a look on ingredients. 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, mint, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, 5 to 6 green chilies, bunch of coriander, 4 bay leaves, shahi jeera, cinnamon, javitri cloves, cardamom, black pepper, finally cashew nuts, and a bowl of prawns. Let's take a half kg of basmati rice, wash them properly, let them soak at least 30 minutes. I am chopping tomatoes, onions, green chilies, and roughly chop both coriander and mint only when they are in. Let's start cooking with coconut oil. Let's add all the dry spices. Fry them in half a minute. Let them release their aromatic essence inside the oil. Later, I am going to add roughly chopped onions. I am going to fry them till they become golden brown. Adding chilies, after the cashew nuts. Let's fry. This is the correct time to add ginger garlic paste. Once ginger garlic paste become golden brown too, let's add mint leaves and fry them properly. Now I'm adding crushed coconut cream, which enhance taste of every bite. Now, this is the exact time to add curd. Once the oil is being separated, then add red chilli and turmeric. Now look at the beautiful color came after adding red chilli and turmeric. Now add tomatoes. Tomatoes are not required to do deeply fry. Now I am adding crystal salt. Add a small amount of water. Now everything looks fine. It's a time to add prawns. Now this is a perfect time to add coriander. Stir it well. Meanwhile, I am arranging a bowl of water to boil our rice. Let's add crystal salt and all our dry spices. A few coriander leaves. Once it boils, let's add our soaked basmati rice. On very much first boil, let's strain all the water. Now add all this separated rice in our main stuff. At this point, the rice is cooked only 80%. The remaining 20% will steam. Now add 4 to 5 spoons of this strained water. Now add half of a lemon juice. Now I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter or ghee. Now steam it 15 minutes on low flame. Now it's a time to check our body. Perfect. Rice is cooked perfectly. Now what you people are waiting for? You must try at your home. I promise you'll definitely love it. I know you already loved it. Then please like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.